I love her, I want her, I need her, but you're so serious. She's trouble.
Attention chocolate lovers, this recipe is for you. Today I'm making chocolate lasagna, which has layers of Oreos, chocolate pudding, and whipped topping. The ingredients you're going to need are chocolate pudding mix. I'm using semi-sweet morsels on top. I've got butter, cream cheese, sugar, of course Oreos, whipped topping, and milk. All right, my first step is I'm going to spray my dish. I'm only doing half a recipe because I know that Mark and I are going to want to eat the whole thing. I just want to make sure the bottom layer doesn't stick. Okay, then I'm going to set that aside. I have 18 Oreos. If you're doing the full recipe, you're doing 36. So I'm just going to crush these. Okay, so now we're going to put that into our prepared pan. And level it out. So this is an 8x8 dish. If you were doing the full recipe, you'd use 11x9. I'm going to refrigerate this while I'm working on the next step. So that'll be about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, our next layer is going to start with cream cheese, which I've softened. Next thing we're going to add is milk. Again, I'm doing half a recipe. And sugar. Okay, I'm going to mix that. Okay. Next, we're going to fold in our whipped topping. See if I can do it without messing it up. Okay, not bad. So our Cool Whip is softened also. I brought the first layer out of the refrigerator and we're going to put the second layer on top. So I'm using my offset spatula. And we're going to push it to the edges. Just like we did with the first layer. Just be careful not to disturb that first layer as much as possible. Very nice, much better. All right, we'll be back with the third layer.
Into the refrigerator.
Into the refrigerator. 3. Our next layer is to make the chocolate pudding. So I have the dry mix in the bowl, and now I'm going to add my milk. And I'm just going to mix it by hand. So we're just making the chocolate pudding. That's the next layer. So there's actually 4 layers altogether. I made it seem like there was 3. Now I'm going to put the pudding on top. Now, what do you think the next step is?
Refrigeration.
Yes, back in the refrigerator. Now, after the 4th and final step, then it's going to have to refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or if you want, could be overnight.
We have a hump in the middle.
I know. There we go. Thank you. But I'll let you lick the bowl and the utensils. It looks so good. Now, of course, remember the recipe will be in the description box. New videos every Sunday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're doing the rest of our Cool Whip, or whip topping. And you might have noticed it's no bake. So same thing as before, we want to level it out, push it into all the corners. Of course, you can make your own Cool Whip. I haven't done that in a long time because this is just so convenient to open a tub. Now you can put whatever you want on the top. These are mini chocolate chips, mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. You could crush up some more Oreos. You can do shavings, chocolate shavings. Okay, we're going to refrigerate it. And again, we're going to have to wait. We'll be back. All right, now it's time to try the chocolate lasagna. So we did wait 24 hours. Not that we wanted to, it just kind of worked out that way. You ready?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So
definitely.
We're eating dessert first.
This was a test recipe last week, and wow, it was great.
Yes.
Decadent.
It definitely is decadent.
Delicious.
This is exactly what you want when you want chocolate.
Every kid in the world will love it.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow.
Very good.
I would definitely make this. You know, that'd be great for Valentine's Day or Easter.
Kids love smashing up the Oreos for you.
Oh yeah, for sure. We had a little trouble with that. Ended up having to use the food processor, but whatever works for you. That's what I would do. This is really good. So it's sweet, but it's not too sweet.
No.
It's got the right amount.
This is a winner, Bridgetta.
It is a winner. We will be making this again. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out all my other videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, every Sunday, new video.
Yeah, that's right. Every Sunday, new video.
Nice job, Bridgetta.
Wish that
Glad you like it.
I
Oh my
could
gosh.
stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms.
Yum.
I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter